Forget about fighting like cats and dogs. In the wild world of the animal kingdom, beefs between different species get way more vicious. The competition is fierce, and the stakes are extremely high. All's fair in love, war, and the animal kingdom. Here is our list of the 10 pairs of animal rivals that engage in fierce combat that can end up very bad for both sides. Are you ready? It's time to enter the Zen Zone. At number 10. Rattlesnake vs. Hawk. A gruesome clash of brains and brawn. The red tail is one of the largest hawks, usually weighing between 2 and 4 pounds. The female is nearly a third larger than the male and may have a wingspan of 55 inches. Rattlesnakes are venomous vipers characterized by a segmented rattle at the tip of the tail that produces a buzzing sound when vibrated. Adults usually vary in length from 1.5 to 6.5 feet, but some can grow over 8 feet long. To beat and defeat a venomous rattlesnake, a red-tailed hawk uses a clever strategy. It tries to make the snake strike at its wings' feathers, so the snake's head is exposed. But the rattler's toxic bite makes it a dangerous meal to catch. Using its 55-inch wingspan to distract the serpent, the hawk leads with its feet. It can then grab and hold the snake with its powerful talons before finishing it off with a series of pecks to its increasingly bloodied head. At number 9. Octopus vs. Shark. The shark is an iconic deadly predator, but an octopus is not so harmless either. With plenty of weapons up its sleeve like a poisonous beak, 8 powerful arms, and numerous extra adhesive suckers, the octopus can put up quite a fight. A fight involving an octopus never has a predicted outcome, even when the opponent is as fierce as a shark. The octopus will do its best to defend itself. It will try to envelop the shark with its arms. If the octopus manages to grasp the shark, it may suffocate it by blocking its gills, and paralyze it with its venom. Then the outcome of the battle might be a victory for the 8-armed underdog. In most cases, all defense mechanisms will fail to save the life of the octopus. The octopus will be swallowed alive, still trying to defend itself, struggling for survival up to the very last moment by releasing clouds of ink. At number 8. Ants vs. Termites. This is probably the most unfair rivalry on our list. Termites and ants are natural enemies. Ant and termite colonies often turn hostile upon encountering one another. Despite their average size and weight, ants are much more aggressive and almost always have numerical superiority. In fact, some species of ants have been known to specifically prey upon termites for food. In this aspect, ants are a nightmare to termites. They often invade termites' mounds even to use them as homes. Termites do not stand much of a chance against the ant army, and their only possibility is trying to avoid the ants from entering the mound. Termites will usually lose this war, but sometimes they manage to seal off some of the nest and protect the rest of the colony. At number 7. Dolphin vs. Shark. Few animals inspire fear like sharks. Sure, their aggression has been exaggerated in popular media, but they really do attack. By contrast, dolphins are treated like the jesters of the sea, fun, harmless, and friendly. Dolphins have historically saved humans from sharks, but they've also recently been observed attacking people and bludgeoning baby porpoises to death for fun. So, maybe we shouldn't underestimate them. If the dolphin were alone, or if the shark were to catch one, with hundreds of teeth in its mouth, it would definitely kill the dolphin. When a dolphin feels threatened, it goes into a self-defense mode which can allow it to overpower a shark. Dolphins work as a pack, attacking the shark from all sides. They use their rounded noses to ram the shark, striking the shark's soft underbelly. One serious shark bite can end a dolphin, though that's not usually the case, while pods of dolphins have killed a large shark on more than one occasion. At number 6. Polar bear vs. walrus. The polar bear is the most carnivorous of all bear species. Its prey primarily consists of seals. But like any great hunter, the polar bear sometimes finds itself tempted by big game. And in the Arctic, there's no prey more massive than the walrus. Only the largest polar bears will target walruses, and such attacks are on the young or injured. But an attack on calves often attracts the attention of a bull, resulting in an epic clash of claws and tusks. Adult male walruses weigh up to 4,400 pounds, more than double the average polar bear. They also have 2-3 feet long tusks that can be used as powerful weapons. When a polar bear tries to attack a walrus, anything can happen. This battle on the ice always looks likely to get bloody, and it does. The bear is stronger and natural predators, but there are many cases of polar bears found dead or severely wounded by walruses' tusks. At number 5. Mongoose vs. Cobra. We probably would think that no animal would be crazy enough to just go ahead and face a venomous snake. Apparently not. The mongoose may only be 1 to 2 feet in length, but it is agile, fierce, smart, and not afraid to fight. Cobras, on the other hand, are extremely venomous snakes, which, up against any other mammal that size, would consider their opponent an easy meal. But the mongoose has an ace up its furry sleeve. Mongooses have specialized acetylcholine receptors that make them resistant or even immune to snake venom. This characteristic places mongooses ahead of its adversary and explain why mongooses often defeat cobras in head-to-head battles. At number 4. Lion vs. Hyena. As the Lion King taught us, lions and hyenas don't get along. Since the dawn of time, hyenas have been competing with the king of the jungle for prey. Both are known to steal from one another, going so far as to target each other's young. While lions are bigger and stronger, hyena packs bring strength in numbers, with overwhelming results. Competition over food can lead to full-blown royal rumbles between hyenas and a lion pride. Lions are much stronger than hyenas, so you would consider it a very unfair matchup, but, in reality, things are not the same every time. The fact is, when a clan of hyenas face a pride of lions, nobody can tell for sure what is about to happen. At number 3. Killer whale vs. great white shark. Our next battle takes place in the deep blue sea. The great white shark is considered an apex predator. They've been known to attack not only humans, but boats too. By contrast, we generally think of whales as peaceful giants, and for the most part, they are. But the killer whale, made famous by SeaWorld and the movie Free Willy, has more than earned its lethal name. Killer whales are ruthlessly efficient when hunting seals and penguins, and they aren't afraid to challenge the king of the ocean either. In fact, orcas are the only natural predators of great white sharks. A chance encounter or competition over prey can be enough to trigger a deadly contest for oceanic supremacy. At number 2. Python vs. alligator. What happens when you take two of the largest reptiles in the world and place them in the same habitat to compete for prey? You get one vicious, cold-blooded feud. Burmese pythons are native to Southwest Asia, but they coexist with American alligators in the Everglades National Park. Male American alligators reach on average 11 feet and can weigh up to 1,000 pounds. Burmese pythons range from 16 to 23 feet and weigh up to 200 pounds. They kill their prey by constriction, squeezing their bodies until it suffocates. They are also great swimmers, being able to stay underwater for 30 minutes. American alligators and Burmese pythons will not usually engage in confrontation. The unusual thing about these two beasts is that when they do, either one can win the battle and eat the other. The only difference is that the gator will eat its prey piece by piece and the python will swallow its meal whole. At number 1. Elephant versus Rhinoceros. They're big, they're grey, and they know how to throw their weight around. We're talking about elephants and rhinos. These two creatures share an environment, and for the most part, it's a peaceful coexistence. African elephants are the biggest land animals on the planet. They can weigh up to 14,000 pounds, stand 8 to 13 feet and eat 300 pounds of food in a single day. Rhinoceroses are smaller but still big. They range from 4.5 to 6 feet and can weigh up to 3,000 pounds. But if either feels threatened, they can react defensively, with extreme aggression especially when their young ones are around. But what is the biggest factor to ramping up aggression? Hormones. When male elephants enter adolescence, their testosterone can reach up to 60 times the normal level, and they can go into hormonal berserker rage. Male elephants are likely to attack anything during this time, but rhinos are just about the only species that'll fight back. In 2000, a wayward pack of hormone-driven adolescent male elephants hunted and killed an estimated 36 rhinos. These are our top 10 picks. What do you think? Did we miss any of your favorites? Any top 10 list you'd like to see? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this kind of content, do me a favor and like the video, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to stay tuned for our latest videos. Don't forget to check out our cool merch store, it really helps us spread the Zen and grow the channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon.